A very good afternoon, YouTube family. The lady that does the plants with the green hands, she has a second place that she does her plants apart from her residence, and this is the place. Let me just show you. So it's called Bulma Botanical Gardens, and let's just go inside and I'll show you. Mulishani, and what's your name, mommy?
My name is Helen Chama.
Nice to meet you, Helen Chama.
Thank you.
Muikalamu Olympia
I work with garden.
Garden Compound. Ngaba nenu ni bana nishini?
Angela.
Wa Angela mulishani? Imweta mulefu tamulefu kumweneka mu video. Okay, no chawa. Nice meeting you. Have a nice one. Guys, so this is the Bulma. I want you to hear what Charmaine has to say about the Bulma, and let's hear what she'll just walk us through what she does here at the Bulma, and yeah, let's get some inspiration from her.
Hello again, this is Charmaine. Welcome to Bulma Botanical Gardens. We're situated in Olympia, opening soon by mid-August. At the Botanical Gardens, I've been growing plants and trees for almost 19 years. Just growing everything that I can get my hands on, and especially medicinal trees. So far, I have about 32 different medicinal trees and plants in my garden. And let me show you around. This place here will soon be a cafe. We'll have the bar that side and the coffee shop that side and a souvenir shop. On the far end there, I don't know if you can see it, it's a rustic venue for about 250 people for weddings and all that. So let me take you around the garden.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see this tree here, this very tall tree, this tree is called the willow tree.
You mean all of these, yeah?
Yes. This is my signature plant. This plant, this tree here is a magical tree. It's we use it for pain as a painkiller. We use the leaves and the bark for painkiller. I use the pores for building. The venue that you saw the other side is actually all the pores are built from these trees. I've been growing them now for 15 years, and that's actually what makes the Botanical Gardens is these trees. I have the willow forest that side, which is also going to be a venue for outdoor events.
Yeah.
So maybe you can come around and look at the plants I have. So this on my right is my little willow forest, where eventually it's going to be an outdoor event place. We are still working on it.
Yeah.
And I love nature. I really love nature, and everything I do includes nature. So nature is like my life.
Nice. Just a question I want to ask you. The plant you just touched here, what is it? It's got a nice smell. What is it
this
called?
is basil.
Yeah.
So what we do is in these tires, which we've been doing as a skill program for some young boys in the compound. They do the tires and I buy them from them.
Yes.
And I plant spices in them. This is lemongrass, this is basil, this is mint. And then I sell them like that.
Okay.
But right now they're still being done.
Yeah. Just a quick question. Having seen your garden, have you ever considered keeping bees? Because I see quite a lot of flowers here. Have you ever considered keeping bees?
Yes, I have, because the willow tree actually does very beautiful honey.
Yeah.
You know, but
Okay.
you know, with bees, you have to be very careful.
Yes.
You have to really be prepared and what, so they don't harm the human beings. So that will come at a later stage.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Charmaine, I can see some pots here. What's happening here?
These pots here we are preparing to plant, like in this one line here, it's going to be like the same kind of plants.
Yes.
So for the time being, we're going to use this place for plants. So we are transferring the plants from other places to bring them here, so that we can have, you know, separate plants in each section.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
And this area here, we use it for, there's times when people come for a bonfire. So as you can see there, we usually put our bonfire there.
Okay.
And people can book to come and just chill, the bonfire, have their food and all. Then here, usually when we have a wedding, we do the wedding decors in the corners where the groom and bride and the bridal party can have the photo shoots. We are going to do natural plants eventually. Just for now, as we're starting, we're still using artificial plants that we decorate.
Charmaine, I want to get something clear here. To the audience, those who are listening to this YouTube channel, what are you saying? Are you saying this place is open now for functions? Do you hire it out to people to use the facility?
Yes, we do. We started hiring it here and there, but officially to be open in August.
Any particular day? Do you need people coming to this occasion for the opening day?
Yes, I'm hoping mid of August we'll get the date announced.
Okay.
I'm not very sure about the date right now. Yeah, but definitely August.
Okay. Okay. All right. I just
This
asked
is a
because
place where people can come and chill. You know, you can. It's the tranquil in here.
Yeah.
The scenery is just so
It
natural,
is.
peaceful, and healing.
Yes.
You know, so eventually we will allow people coming in to just come and sit and read a book, exercise and all that. So it's all in the process of being a complete botanical gardens.
Okay, I think you got the first client is sitting on the swing.
Oh, Mrs. Johnson. now, Percy, this swing here has a history to it. I'm sure when we're growing up, I mean, in our teenager, when we just had our first children, this was Laura's swing.
Oh,
At the farm.
wow.
Yeah, so this swing is 34 years old.
34 years. Wow, wow.
made it when I
The one that was at Kasupe, that side?
Yes.
Wow.
We just did it up. We're waiting for Laura to have, when she has her first child. This is the swing she's
Nice
swinging
one.
on.
So you got some other flower pots over there. What's happening
Yes.
there?
Yeah, I like this. No way to pass me. It's also card.
You were saying?
These are part of our cactus collection.
Yeah.
The most important one here is the aloe vera because it's medicinal. It's one of my medicinal plants. So this is the aloe vera miracle plant.
Ben, I meant to ask you, your water source, where do you get your water source from to water all these plants?
We have a borehole and a tank.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's where we get our water from. And then this
Because
is
I can see a sprinkler there. Look at that.
yes.
Yeah. You were saying?
This is our little garden.
Yep.
Spread off to there where for the time being it's just for our own consumption, but later on it will serve the restaurant as well.
Oh, right. I can see a bit of impulse there.
Okay, we grow fruit trees as well. So these are us avocados.
Yeah.
They are actually they're just in drums now, but they are actually at the point of fruiting.
Yes.
Yeah. So and then we have mangoes, we have lychees.
Yeah.
We have all sorts of fruit trees.
Wow, you got loads here.
Thank you.
And
This is sugar cane.
so any particular prices? What are the prices for these avocados?
Those ones because they are point of
Fruition.
fruiting,
Yeah.
and what they are 1.5.
1,500 for a plant.
Yes.
And what about these palm trees?
These are palm trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is called the triangle palm. Yes.
How much is that one?
This one goes for 550.
Okay. All right.
I'm just starting to actually grow them.
Yeah.
This is called the dragon fruit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The,
Is this the one that has the pink? Is it pink
yes,
or
the
red?
Pink or red, yeah. It's
Inside.
very medicinal, very nutritious,
Uh-huh.
and a lot of vitamins. So we're trying to grow a lot of this.
Yep.
These,
Did you say these are lilies?
yeah, these ones here, these are lilies.
Yeah.
As you can see, the lily flower.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to have actually a lot of them
Mm-hmm.
in September to December.
Yeah.
So we're planting them. This one here, as many people know it, it's bougainvillea.
Yeah.
But I just recently discovered that bougainvillea is the bougainvillea flowers are actually very medicinal.
Yeah.
Very, very medicinal. The flowers themselves, you can dry them or boil them like that and drink it as a tea.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good for inflammation, for calcium, and a lot of
Okay.
other vitamins.
Fantastic.
Yes. This one here, we have a lot of it the other side.
Mm-hmm.
This one here is the turmeric. Everybody knows turmeric.
Yeah.
So this is the turmeric plant.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. What about, is this turmeric as well?
Yes, it's also, this is white turmeric, just that we
Okay.
transplanted it, so it's not
Yeah.
looking too good right now, but
All
there's
right.
plenty that side.
Okay. Oh, so these are the indigenous bananas, yeah?
Yes.
And these I believe they're quite sweet from the last time I tasted these,
Very
yeah.
sweet.
And you have a papaya, look at
Oh
that.
yes, we have papaya everywhere in the garden.
But in Zambia they call it popo.
Yes. Internationally, I think they call it papaya.
Papaya, yeah.
Now, I recently discovered,
Yes.
you know, one day when, you know, the workers in the garden, the employees needed relish, and,
Mm-hmm.
you know, that day I couldn't manage to get relish. And I looked at the purples and I said to them, why don't you pick purples and go and
Cook it.
cook it? And believe it or not, we
Yeah.
picked some, peeled them,
Uh-huh.
made a stew out of it, and it was fantastic relish.
Wow,
So
wow.
we just discovered that it's actually not just to eat it when it's ripe, you can actually eat it when it's raw as well.
Amen. Thanks for that. Guys, you hear that? Papaya, raw papaya, you can make a stew out of it. Don't go hungry. If you run out of ndio or food, just cut a papaya and cook it. Saying?
We also have our grapevines now.
Uh-huh.
Just, they're not looking too healthy because it's winter.
Oh, right,
But,
yes.
They'll pick up very soon.
Uh-huh.
So we're trying to make a pergola here
Yeah.
through the grapevines.
Okay.
And behind there, we have this one here, which is that side.
Yeah.
It's,
Oh, that one.
The passion fruit.
Ah, I can see that
Now,
one.
the
Yeah,
passion
yeah.
fruit also recently I discovered, as I'm doing an online herbal course,
Yeah.
herbalism course, that actually the leaves
Yes.
of the passion fruit are very medicinal.
Okay.
Yeah, you also cut them, dry them, or boil them like that and drink. They're very medicinal as well.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So what do you have here, Shami?
This little part here is, these are actually Chinese vegetables.
Oh.
Yes, they're not Zambian vegetables, they're Chinese vegetables. So
Yeah.
we're trying to grow Chinese vegetables also for the Chinese community.
Oh,
So
fantastic.
this is the nursery.
So you're catering for all.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Very nice.
And what are those up there?
They are also just different kind of Chinese vegetables.
Okay. Cool. You said you're going to make a rustic
The
kitchen.
rustic kitchen, yes.
Okay.
So the kitchen for the restaurant.
Okay. Charmaine, you said this part, what is this part going to be?
This part is very soon going to be opened as the African restaurant, the Bulma African restaurant.
Okay.
I owned the Bulma African restaurant at Long Acres many years ago.
Yes.
Then I had to move to the UK.
Yeah,
I had
yeah.
to close it. So it's reopening now in Olympia, end of August.
Fantastic.
Come on, get this one here. This side here, sorry, it's not done up yet, but
Yeah.
this place here
Uh-huh.
is going to eventually be a scrubbing spa.
Oh.
And all the scrubs are going to be made from here using all our medicinal plants.
Yes.
This is where you can come and scrub your body from head to toe with all the scrubs that we're going to be making.
Yeah.
If you are stressed or you've got anxiety, depressed, or just stressed,
Yeah.
when we are open, you can come over. We have medicinal plants that you can soak your feet in, and you bath
Chill
with
out.
those and chill out. Eventually, we'll have what's it, a steamer and a sauna.
Yeah.
And the scrubbing, the spa will actually be in the nature.
Yes.
Yes, there won't be any buildings, and it will all be nature.
Oh,
yes. So
fantastic.
you'll be scrubbing in the nature.
Thank you.
So this whole place here, this will be a spa.
Okay. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video because I have walking around this garden. It's like the Garden of Eden. I'm telling you, it's just amazing the kind of feeling you have walking around this natural environment full of different varieties of plants. I'm telling you, it's just amazing. It's an amazing feeling. So remember to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also share the video, and also press that bell icon for more notifications, so that you'll be the first to be notified when I post some new videos. So from me, it's adios amigos, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you from wherever you're watching from. It's bye-bye.
And then right here is Mr. Percy.
Oh yes, we're going to end this interview with a cup of tea. Look at that.
This tea is made from all the medicinal plants from the garden here.
Uh-huh.
There's bougainvillea, there's
Yeah.
willow tree,
Yep.
willow plant, there's passion fruit,
Yes.
leaves,
Yeah.
and it's a fantastic detox
Yeah.
and stress reliever.
Wow.
Really, really good.
Okay.
Very good painkiller.
Let's get relieved. So adios amigos. See you in the next video. Bye.